This video is gonna be short, but I just want to let people know that days like these, rainy, is the best day when you live in a radiation world, because the rain will attach most of it and then you feel really good. So if you feel really good, you feel really awesome, that's what it is. And you don't need no meters or anything to measure it either. The rain alone will teach you how awesome it is. Just like before wireless and stuff like that. And any of you guys remember those days? It feels really good during rain. Before even cell phone getting full blasted. I remember those days, and it feels twice as nice. Now you probably feel just halfway, because you're still being affected, especially that tower right there. You see those light flashing right on top of my finger right here? Those flashing lights, that's what amping a lot too. I have the 5G tower right here, not tower but the little things, and I can feel those. But that right there, there's a bunch of cell antennas on there, and it amps a lot. Yep. So because of that, and because of rain and the misty and snow and hard rain, you will feel really nice. That's because it absorbs most of the radiation, so the water absorbs most of it. So now we know that, yeah, radiation is in our water, although most of it will dissipate. It'll take a while to dissipate, but still, if you have metals or you're exposed to metals, like one person just told me about how he touches metals or he touches the water and he can feel it. Yeah, because the water is actually absorbing the radiation. So it's pretty much the same thing how it's talking or describing about it right now. So days like these, I look forward to it very much. I don't mind at all. I don't mind walking in the wet. I don't mind walking or doing anything in the wet or rain, because I learned how to appreciate rain now. Rain is even better than a sunny day, even though I love sunny days, but rain is even better, and it's actually sacred now to have rain, although some places are like that too. But now I love rain. I love rain because of that reason. And for the people who can feel all these, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. And when you feel all these and you can actually feel how things behave, that's when you know. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video and hope you learned something from the video. I'll see you in the next video.